Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about Ambifreaks reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. People from India are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So now we'll discuss about this website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products does it offer to the customers. So this is an online shopping site which deals with clothing products. They mainly offer clothing products like kurtis, saris and many other Indian attires. So if you're interested, then you have to visit their official site. So next we'll check their payment method. They have given it here. You can pay through Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Diners Club International, Discover, RuPay and some other options. Now if you want to know about the shipping policy, so this website hasn't given their shipping timing anywhere. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comments section. Now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 19th of October 2021 and it is going to expire on 19th of October 2022, which means it is a very new website and hence it can't be trusted. Now, if you want to know about their About Us details, well, this website does not have any separate page section for their About Us details, but they have given some information in their main homepage, so you can check this out. Now, if you want to know about their contact details, this website does not have any separate page section for their contact details. Also, we couldn't get their contact details anywhere else as well. Now, talking about the social media presence of this website does not have any social media presence at all, which is a drawback of this website. Now, if you want to get their return and refund policy, they also haven't given their return or refund policy anywhere. So do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Ambifreaks reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. And the Trust Index score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is only 4.9%, which is very low and bad. And as you can see, there is no policy, so we don't know anything about its content. So in the conclusion of the Ambifreaks reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. As you can see, this website is very new. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their contact details and the trust score is very poor, so it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.